everyone. It's been so long we have not made any video, children. And I'm very excited now to make a video for you all. We all know there's an upcoming festival coming, that is Deepavali, and Deepavali we celebrate as though there is a wedding at home, cleaning, decorating, everything, right? So don't you think even we should make something instead of buying ready-made? So I have designed something for you all. I hope you all like it. Please give me thumbs up if you like it, children. I'll be teaching you a dream catcher, okay, of Happy Diwali, and definitely we'll be using a laltan also. I will teach you how to make a laltan, okay. So these are the two things I'll be showing you in the video. I hope you will enjoy and like the video and share as much as possible to your friends and family members and children. I wanted to tell you all these material, I have made a kit for this, only the MDF kit. I will not provide any colors and paper or anything because I know you already have so much. So if you really want to make these, you can get in touch with me. I will give you details where you can buy this from, and you can think of your own ideas and you can make something for Diwali, and that will make you more happy. So let's get started, okay. Hello children, I hope you can see this. This is Happy Diwali dream catcher, okay, and these are some paisleys we are gonna stick on these, and this is the symbol of lotus flower and very auspicious for Diwali. This is one of the favorite flower of goddess Lakshmi, so generally we use these. Okay, so this is the stuff we'll be making it very colorful. You can use many things. You can use paper, you can use glitter, you can use sand, you can use so many things in this. So let's see how we see the outcome. How is the outcome? Okay, these are some embellishments we'll be sticking on these so that it enhances the dream catcher. So now we will color this. I am taking orange color. You can take any color you like, any festive color you like, children. So I'll be using orange color for this, and it is very simple. You will love doing this. You can use glitter also if you want a sparkling kind of thing. So I'll be just giving you the option, the base, everything. I want to see your creativity, whatever possibilities I am telling you, you can try them. You can apply Fevicol and put colorful sand. You are getting rangolis also, that colorful rangoli in 3 colors, tricolors. You can do whatever tricolors you like. It's not that you have to use Indian flag color or something. You could have used red also, okay. So we are done with the coloring thing. So easy, isn't it? And it looks very beautiful. So now we will color this lotus in pink color. Be careful while you're coloring it. Nothing should drop on the dream catcher. I am using chalk paints, children. You can use acrylic colors, you can use poster colors, but I think if you use acrylic colors will look nice because they give a nice shine. Okay, so this is ready. You can use dark pink also. whatever colors I had in my stash, I'm using that. So whatever you have in your stash, use that one only. Do not trouble your parents for not having this that. Okay, so whatever colors I have, I'm using right away. I'm coloring the paisley. And you can also do a 3D cone work on this with the help of the glitters, like you can paint onto on it. Okay, so children, i am I have colored them and they are all getting dried. So what I am doing is, on the star, this, and you can take any glitter or anything you like. Maybe you take a lid and pour this so that it does not get wasted. You can just sparkle it. So if you want the whole thing to be shimmery, then you can use these glitters. You get this anywhere, easy to get these glitters anywhere. In any craft shop you will get them, but not in these kind of boxes. Okay, so where is that lid? Tiny lid. Yeah, I had got this. I think that nail painting thing, I was very fascinated about that. So in that I got this glitters free of cost. So now I'm using this. I didn't have to buy anything new, children. Okay, looks nice. Yeah, so you can add glitters over here also if you want. Let me see if I can add any glitter. Suppose you want to add any glitter, what you can do is you can just make some borders and put those glitters. Let me do it here as well. You can also make borders with any tube or something. What colors shall we choose? Okay, let's take some yellow color. Yellow thing. I have never tried all this. I think let's see how it works. For the first time I'm doing this glitter work. So try to choose all bold colors, festive colors when you're making something, children. You can also use blue, you can also use green, red, orange, whatever colors you like, but they should be bright colors. Okay, so let's see how the result is. Where is this teeny mini cap? You can do anything. I'm just showing you the simple stuff. See, this looks so beautiful. So we could have done the whole thing, right? So you can do borders, you can put so many things if you want. Whatever you like, I mean, you can put borders all over, like, you know, keeping all this like this. You can keep borders and a lot of things you can just add. I like to add like these dots and all. So which color shall we take on orange? What would look nice? I think some blue should be there. Let me take some blue color. Okay, now let's stick all these embellishments what we have colored. You can do clay work on this also. You make small petals and leaves and stick all over, and you can do like that also. So many options ma'am is giving you. Let me see who all does and gives me a surprise. I will be giving you my WhatsApp number. You can share your work to me and you can get in touch with me if you want this base. I will let you know where you can take this. And now comes the turn for lotus. This is one of my favorite flower as well. I tried growing it also so many times, but it is very difficult. You have to have a lot of patience to grow a lotus and a lot of water and a lot of space. You have to take care very beautifully. Now I will remove this dot what I had made. See, symbol of water. You can create any story you like. Okay, so now you see that. Happy Diwali. Okay, if you want you can stick any paper you like behind it so that the Happy Diwali gets highlighted. If you want you can put a foil paper also so that a silver color thing gets glittered. So if you want I can stick this as well behind it, so it will. And you can put a glitter sheet also, children. Good idea, right? So you stick this and it becomes Happy Diwali. Do you want me to do it? I can do it for you all. Okay, chalo, let's do it. Okay, you have to cut in round shape and stick it. Or if you have shortage of paper, what you can do is just cut this square, I mean just happy and this Diwali and stick onto it. That also you can do it if you don't want to waste paper. So I have sticked the paper like this, okay, and see, so beautiful it looks and bright. Happy Diwali. Okay, now you take any cord, any wool, anything you have at home, just, or what you can do is you will have to hang it, right? Take two ends together and try to pierce inside this. I think this is fat, so it might, yeah, it has come. Okay, just put some knot. And your dream catcher Happy Diwali is ready, children. I hope you enjoyed this video. The same way we will be doing the laltans as well the next day. So, isn't it beautiful? So you can add so many things. Okay. And this is all done. So like this you can make something for Diwali. You can also, I have even, oh sorry, I will color it again. So like this same way I have even laltans. So we can do laltans also. So you can see this in my next video. I will be showing you how to make the laltan for Diwali. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed. Advance happy Diwali to you all. And if you want this, in the message box I have mentioned my number. Please get in touch with me. I will let you know from where you can buy this MDF. Okay, so that you can make your dream catcher for your home. And children, I want to tell you, this is available only today and tomorrow. So place your orders as soon as possible. Take care. Happy Diwali in advance.